What's happening YouTube, your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the brand new camera for your home. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell as well so you can be notified of next videos to come with tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out fibcedmonton.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. And this one is pretty sweet. It has a security camera. It also comes with a solar panel. For those of you who have seen my past videos, I do a lot of unboxing for security cameras, and this one's pretty interesting because it comes with that solar panel. Here we go. As you can see there, little solar panel right there. Boom. You can just hook that up, and then you don't need to plug in. You don't need to wire up anything like that. You can place this anywhere you want. That little mount right there, mounting plates. It comes with the camera as well by Jennov. There you go. It also comes with the sticker right there so that you can mount the solar panel and also the camera, no problem at all. Let's put this on the side for now and see what else we got in here. Let's take this off the bag right here. This is the mount for the solar panel. It comes with screws as well and wall securing devices there. Pretty cool. It also comes with the little instruction manual right there. And let's go ahead and hook this up. Here we go. So this is our security camera here. And as you can see, pretty cool design, kind of like wall-y. This is where you would mount it on the back right here. The cable would run into here as well so that you can hold it while it is mounted. On the bottom here, it has a slot for all your cables to come, so you can put your micro SD in there, the reset button, power button as well, and the DC in. And we're going to try to sync this on our phone using the Cloud Edge app. You could power this on by using that. You'll see that it's turned on when it's blinking red up there. There's also the little compartment right here so that you can plug it in. This also is battery powered, so it has battery in there. So the app we'll use for this is the Cloud Edge app. Let's go ahead and hit open. There you go. If you haven't made an account yet, go ahead and register and log in. I already have the account here, so we're just gonna hit plus to add a new camera, and then we're gonna go with battery camera right here. We're gonna power it on. We already did that, so we're just gonna hit next. The red light is already flashing, so we're just gonna hit next as well. Now the Wi-Fi network needs to be 2.4 gigahertz network. It won't work on a 5 gigahertz network, so just be reminded of that. Now we're just gonna scan the QR code here and then have it like 5 to 8 inches away. There it is. As you could see, it has a blue light now right here indicating that it is connected, and this is our camera right here. So we're just gonna put a backyard camera right here so that we can remember. I'll put this in the backyard there and see how it does. Hit done. There you go. And as you can see, you could talk to it as well. You can do intercom. There you go. You'll be able to tell the intruders. It has a mic and also has speakers, so that's really good. And you can also take screenshots right here, which is really good. Record some videos as well. It has micro SD capabilities as well, where you can see in the albums right here everything you have. There's also the PTZ where it'll move. It has a motorized backing there. As you can see, it'll move left to right. Really cool. Here as well, you can see the history of what's going on from the past calendar, yesterday or whatever. And you'll see the albums as well of all the history there. They also have a cloud storage, which you have to pay a little bit for. It has a 7 days free trial when you get this device. Let's go ahead and install this in our backyard now. There it is. We are on our backyard. As you can see, we are able to install the solar panel and also the camera right here. All I used was two screws that came from the box on each device. The wire coming from the solar panel is pretty long as well, so you can run that wherever you want. Now here are some footages that I've taken during the daytime and also the nighttime. There's also this screenshot that I've taken here so that you guys can see. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new security camera for your home. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. I would recommend this for people who wants to just have a simple camera for their homes to check out whatever is going on when you are not at home, or maybe record something while you're at it so that later on you can review it as well. And something that you don't have to hook up inside, you don't have to plug it in because of the solar panel. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.